I'm so happy you're here. Tap like, hit subscribe, and let's have some yoga fun.
Easy pose. Sit on the floor. Cross your legs comfortably. Rest your hands on your knees. Breathe slowly. Tree pose. Stand tall. Shift your weight onto one leg. Place the other foot on your inner leg. Bring your palms together. Find your balance. Warrior pose. Step one foot back. Bend the front knee. Raise both arms overhead. Feel strong and steady. Bow pose. Lie on your stomach. Bend both knees. Hold your ankles. Lift your chest and legs. Breathe evenly. Crescent lunge pose. Step one foot forward, lower the back knee, lift your chest, raise both arms, hold steady. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, place palms under your shoulders, lift your chest gently, keep hips grounded. Camel pose. Kneel upright. Place hands on your lower back or heels. Push hips forward. Open your chest. Lean back slowly. King pigeon pose. Bring one knee forward, stretch the other leg back, lower your hips gently, lift your chest, and breathe. Wind relieving pose. Lie on your back. Pull one knee to your chest. Relax and breathe. Bridge pose. Bend your knees, press your feet into the floor, lift your hips upward, hold gently. thunderbolt pose. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, keep your spine tall. Breathe calmly. Low lunge pose. Step forward into a lunge. Lower the back knee. Keep your chest lifted. Stay balanced. Standing forward bend. Stand tall. Fold forward from your hips. Let your head relax. Breathe deeply. Star pose. Stand wide. Stretch both arms out. Open your chest. Feel strong. Mountain pose. Stand straight and still. Breathe slowly. Child's pose. Sit back on your heels, lower your chest, stretch your arms forward, relax completely. Seated forward bend. Sit with legs straight. Reach forward gently. Relax into the stretch. Side stretch. Raise one arm overhead. Lean slowly to the side. Feel the stretch. Meditation pose. Sit comfortably. Rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Breathe peace. Practice with awareness. Move gently. Stay calm. Namaste.